Hello everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to download Candy Crush Soda Saga for your Android device. To download and install Candy Crush Soda Saga, all you need to do is to first make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Once it's done, open up your Play Store. In the search box, type in Candy Crush Soda Saga, and in the search result, tap on the Candy Crush Soda Saga game, which should appear like this, and tap on the install button to begin the download. Now wait for the application to download and install, which will only take a few minutes. Once the application is downloaded and installed, tap on the play button to launch open Candy Crush Soda Saga. That is how you can easily download Candy Crush Soda Saga on your Android device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.